Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule a delivery on the Wayfair mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Wayfair app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the account icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap an option that says View Order. Tap on that. Here you will see a list of all things you have ordered. Find the order you want to schedule a delivery and tap on it to see more details. If the items require scheduling, you will see a button that says something like Schedule Deliver or Schedule Now. Tap on that. Now you will see a calendar with available dates and time slots. Choose the date that works best for you. After that, select the time window you prefer, like morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on what's available. Once you have picked your date and time, tap on Confirm Delivery. You will see a confirmation screen. Wayfair may also send you a confirmation email or text. And that's it. We have successfully scheduled our delivery on the Wayfair mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.